what I'm doing on my channel. I've actually gotten, I think this is my third Glam Bag Plus, and I enjoy it much better than just their sample sizes that I used to get. It's kind of like they're doing their own version of BoxyCharm. You know, they have the same type of packaging almost, it's just pink. And even when you open it on the inside, it has the same type of phone as BoxyCharm, which is blue instead of black. But I do really like this. It's $25 and you get 5 full-size items, which is nice. And they give you a booklet that has what you got in there and the details about it and even the pricing of it. So usually just one item alone costs more than the box. So it's a really good value for your money. The first thing that we got this month is by Paris Hilton. It's Pro DNA Advanced Skincare System. It's their dual action cleansing gel. It says it's an essential 2-in-1 first step cleanser to jumpstart your age delay regimen. Formulated with ingredients like caviar lime that deliver vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants to the skin, Pro DNA Dual Action Cleansing Gel gently lifts away dirt, impurities, and makeup while maintaining the skin's natural moisture balance. I like the coloring of the packaging, and this has a kind of a rubberized texture to the box, which is weird, but it's kind of cool. The actual product packaging, it's a 4-ounce size, so it is a full size, and it says that retails for $29. So like I said, we've already paid for the cost of the box. Then we have an IT Cosmetics brush, which I love IT Cosmetic brushes. This one is their Heavenly Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush, number 704. It says groundbreaking anti-aging skincare infused brush hair. What? So the brush is supposed to have skincare? Here's what the brush looks like. It looks really nice. It's a flat top but at an angle. And it feels really luxe. Very soft. Don't usually apply foundation with a brush, but I may have to give that one a try. That brush is $48. Says you don't need an entire drawer of makeup brushes when you have one that does it all. Not only does this brush give makeup products an airbrush finish, blurring away the appearance of fine lines and pores, it also applies skincare like a dream. It says for a your skin but better effect, dot foundation on the areas that need the most coverage. Lightly buff foundation outward in a circular motion for a diffused, flawless finish. The next thing that we have is by Feel. It's their Balanced Moisture Balancing Cream. Moisturizes deeply for 24 hours. So 6 ounces. It says feel and look your best. An advanced combination of plant extracts and oils creates a strong moisture barrier on the skin. Cucumber extract soothes the skin with hydrating and anti-inflammatory powers. Powerful elder tree extract for fresh, glowing skin. Apply to dry, clean skin liberally and rub in. Use daily to keep skin incredibly moist and smooth. Oh. So at first I was thinking that's a mighty big face moisturizer, but it seems like it's more of a body moisturizer. And I've never used this brand or heard of it before. Let's see what it smells like. It's just like a clean, I don't know if you would call it kind of fresh or spa-like. Nothing really spectacular, just a lotiony scent, as I would say. As that is $28. Then we have by Benefit their Eyebrow Pencil. It's their highlighting and lifting creamy brow highlighting pencil. Never used this before. I have seen others use it, but here's what it looks like. It just says highbrow on it. It's a pink shade. It Says when your brows need a lift, look no further than this creamy highlighter brow pencil. The matte linen pink shade pops on and accentuates your arches for brighter, lifted, younger looking eyes. And that's $22. Then the last thing that I have is an eyeshadow palette. It's Moods by Sanchez. It has like pictures for the names of the shades, I'm guessing, on the back, which is really cool. I've never seen that before. And this I am not going to swatch or anything because I'm actually going to put it in a giveaway for you guys. I'm going to open it up but leave the film on. And since I already have quite a few palettes with these shades, I'm going to do a giveaway in this video. So the directions will be in the description box below. If you want to win this, then I'm going to stick a few other goodies that I'll insert a picture at the end of the video of as well to go with it. Mood swings get a bad rap, but sometimes they can inspire different makeup looks. Score, this all-in-one palette is loaded with matte and metallic shades of cheek and eye colors, an option for any mood you're in. Now you're equipped to express all the feels. This Colombian makeup artist was NYX Face's 2016 Beauty Blogger of the Year, and her brand is all about bold color and self-expression. And it retails for $35.